Top of the good morning to everybody. How are you today? I'm in the middle of the country at Kings Canyon. Just want to show you can still do your makeup no matter where you are. Alright, we're going to start off with a little bit of Flower Beauty primer. Let's get into it. I will show you some photos in the middle of, or at the end of this video to show you where we actually are. It is spectacular. If you haven't been to Kings Canyon, Ayers Rock, put it on your bucket list, guys, because it is phenomenal. Flower in your prime pore minimizing primer. Using the new Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid, and it's quite impressed. $17 a bottle. Quite impressed, so not bad at all. Alrighty, primer is on. I'm going to come in with a little bit of Glow Getter now from Flower Beauty. Tiniest bit, that's what I'm going to use. Just warming up there. And at the end of the video, I'll also show you this hoot-to-doot little ring light compact takeaway, so I can take it away and do my makeup wherever we are, because we travel a lot for work. So hubby got me out the other day in Alice Springs. I was just stoked. It's perfect. So, all right, that's your Glow Getter. You can see, leaves your skin looking so fresh. Coming in now with the Flower Beauty Light Illusion. Just going to come into it on my hand. Dab it on. And coming in with my Thin Lizzy sponge. Dabbing it out. This foundation, easily one of my top 5s. Easily. Probably one of my top 3s that I have used. So I'm going to come in now with my Thin Lizzy Enchanted Rose concealer. Coming back in with my Thin Lizzy dampened sponge. And you'll see high coverage, like full coverage. It just lightens up those pieces of your face or sections of your face that you want to, at full coverage. It's amazing. Look at that. I will use it as a base for my eyeshadow. So we're at Kings Canyon. We were lucky enough because it's 150, 200 kilometers down the road and back yesterday, but to go to Ayers Rock, my goodness guys, what a country we live in. Absolutely stunning. I'll put some footage in there for you because it was just mind-blowing. I'm just going to keep it light today and come with the Flower Beauty mattifying powder. Grabbing one of my big Flower Beauty brushes. Just lightly dabbing that in. Dabbing it off. And just applying where I put my concealer. As you can see, it's still glowing. That Glow Getter underneath is just amazing. So if you like that dewy look, it is a very good product. Flower Beauty. Coming in now with my Australis Sweet Light Chocolate Scented Bronzer. It does actually smell like chocolate. It smells like cocoa. We're just going to try and do a more natural look today. Beautiful. Sweet Pea from Flower Beauty. Blush. And I'm just going to go with the bottom of my sponge. A bit of flusher colour to those little cheeky cheeks. It's a beautiful colour actually. Look at it. Very nice. My Thin Lizzy highlighter. And of course coming in with the number 1. Down the centre. Pretty much highlight the centre of the face. And then look at that. It's so soft. Oh my glowing girl today. Righty, I'm going to come in with a little bit of setting spray. It's just the OXX Studio finish. Just quickly give that a bit of a very good spritzer on this one. And then I'm going to come around to a side we haven't used yet and just beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, look at that highlight. It's just the bomb in it. It's just the bomb. Just the bomb. Quickly do my lips. So I'm going to use the Thin Lizzy Miss Cosmopolitan. So just going to overline my lips a little bit. So only overlining in the centre. Really fallen in love with this latest Maybelline one that I bought, 050 Baddest Beige. Just to keep it really natural. It stays on all day. It's actually really soft. Yeah, just the perfect, very moisturising on the skin, so just the perfect nude. Doesn't take away from anything else on the face. Master Contour My Face Studio Maybelline. It's got contour, blush and then highlight, but I'm just going to use the centre one there just to put a little bit onto my eyelids. Nothing major. The other end of my Flower Beauty brush, it's a double ender. Just give it a little flush of colour, which will match in with my blush on my face already. I could have gone back in with the Flower Beauty, to be honest. So coming into my little Sephora kit, my little handbag one. It's pretty awesome because it has the eyeshadows here, blush, bronzer on the side, and then lip glosses on the other side. It's a very good kit for traveling and doing what I'm doing. So I'm just going to come in with this center, this second from the left shimmer, just with my fingers. And I'm just going to apply it from the inside corner. Just give it a little bit of shazam. Look at that. Fabulous. Fabulous, I tell you. Okay, folks. So, lashes are on. A little bit of NARS mascara from Maybelline Colossal. Eyebrows, I'm just going to finish them off with, I need the tiniest touch up because I've had them laminated. They look really, really good. So I've got a bit of Biz Brow Fix. It's clear. And they will not move all day. Perfection. Oh, that highlighter blows me away. Alrighty, so topping it off with a little bit of that Studio Finish setting spray. Oh, it's got the best spritzer for a tiny little bottle. All right, that is it. That is the finished look for the day. All right, guys, so this is my little setup for me to be on the road and still be able to do my makeup videos, which I am stoked about. Hubby bought this for me the other day. I think it was $167. So I can't do it by camera. I have to do it by phone at this point. So the phone fits in here. On button for your light. I've got mine connected to a little power pack. You can adjust your lighting there, and then you can adjust the color here, depending what kind of glow you would like. And the piece of resistance is it packs up like this. It's plastic but LED light inside, so pretty much unbreakable. And then it just folds back up into here. I'll just turn that light off. Folds back into here, closes up. It's safe as anything. This one's got a stand on it, which with a little extension pole. You can use this little tripod, depending on where you want to sit and what you want to film. So you can have it either way. For me, the table's not high enough, so I just use the rod extension on it. But yeah, absolutely stoked with it. Just the fact that I can now carry it. We travel so much for work, so I can still get to have my little calming space, do my makeup videos. Absolutely stoked. The power pack's not needed. It does just plug into a wall, but I just think it's ideal at the moment because I have it with me. Yeah, so then she all just packs back up into this little box, and because it's covered in foam, I just put that into my suitcase under the clothes, and it's the piece of resistance. So there you go. I'm really stoked with it. Info, it's called a Photex Nuada Ring 10 LED light go kit, and it's a 10-inch bi-color USB power input, touch and slide control, 180 degree foldable design. It's absolutely brilliant. Perfect for me when I'm on the road. So I still get a little bit of me time. Stoked. Thank you as always for tuning in, because you're all absolute legends. Please take care of you, and I'll catch you again soon. Mwah.